In this video, we will go over features and benefits of air compressors manufactured by Industrial Gold. Industrial Gold air compressors are manufactured for people who need their equipment to work as hard as they do. In this video, we will go over the features on our basic engine-driven Industrial Series air compressor packages. These packages come standard with head unloaders, stainless steel flex line, centrifugal unloader, easy oil fill, and easy oil drain. The packages are also manufactured with Kohler gas drive engines and Kohler diesel drive engines. Our packages also come standard with an easy drain line for the drive engine, an easy belt tension system, Our packages also come standard with a two-piece tank and top plate with a vibration mount in between the compressor top plate and tank. Our packages also have full saddle mounting feet to make the mounting of the compressor package or tank simple and easy. Our controls are also protected by the compressor base. These systems can also be manufactured on low-profile, easy-to-mount tanks.